Hello, beautiful people. I've come to bless you again with something that I've sewed. Well, I haven't sewn anything yet, but we will be sewing something soon. Anyway, today's agenda is we are going to try, I don't know if anyone's Pinterest is like this, but I keep on seeing really cute bed sheets on Pinterest, like something like this, and I'm like, I need to make it. But I'm gonna make a very cute bow pillowcase. Picked up this fabric, this really cute strawberry fabric, and I think this will be very cute as a pillowcase. I'm not gonna do any different lining colors because I'm just gonna make the pillowcase straight from this. I'm gonna do really cute bows like this Pinterest photo I saw. So I think it's gonna be relatively easy to do, but you never know. I haven't used my overlocker in a while. It might be broken. And we know with overlockers they are likely to break. So it's relatively easy to make a pillowcase. You just need an existing pillow that you already have, and you just measure how long it is, what's the width, what's the length, and also what that inner little compartment is in the pillow. You know, where you put your pillow in, that thing, so it doesn't stick out. I'm gonna do two like compartments within the pillow, like a lining in essence. You can't see where the bows are, where they've been sewn into. So you're going to take an existing pillowcase that you have, and you're going to measure the width and length of that pillowcase. So you can either take those measurements and then put it onto like paper like this, or you can literally just take your pillowcase and place it over the fabric you want to use and cut out from there. So either or you could do. Cutting out the bow straps, which I made 5 centimeters in width and 12 centimeters in length, and then I'm cutting out my main pillowcase at the same time. So for the pocket, it's really simple. The length will stay the same, but the only thing that changes is the width because it's a bit of a smaller piece of fabric. And yeah, that's what I'm basically doing here, and I'm just writing on top of it, and then I just double check to make sure that it fitted on my main pillowcase. So for cutting the fabric, here is my beautiful strawberry fabric, and I just laid it out. It's so beautiful. I just laid it out, and then I folded it on top of each other so I could get right sides together, as you can see. And then I cut out 4 main pillowcase patterns. You will then cut out 8 separate strap patterns, because for the bows you need 2 pieces of fabric, and we've got 4 bows, meaning that we need 8 pieces. So for the pillowcase pockets you only need 4. Likewise with the main pillowcase you need 4. It's only the straps that need 8. Now, the most important part to anything with sewing is that we need an iron. So I'm gonna iron every single item I have, and then we can start sewing. And now the next step is to overlock all the pieces, but I'm going to do a little test run on some of the selvage to make sure that this overlocker is working. Am I scared? Yes. For the straps, what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to overlock them together, and I'm going to put the widthwise open so I can essentially turn them inside out, because it will just be a lot easier overlocking them together. Finish overlocking every single pattern piece I have. So with these straps, the only thing I'm seeing here is that because I overlocked the edge, I don't know, but there's like a nice raw edge that I actually enjoy. I don't know if anyone's seen that recent trend with that sort of crocheted edge, and it kind of looks like it's got a bit of a crocheted edge. I'm gonna iron these. I might leave them as is, the bows like this, because I think it looks quite nice. I'm gonna sew the pockets, well not the pockets, but they're like pockets for pillows, in, and then insert the strap between the pocket and the pillow. I don't know if that makes sense to anyone, but I'll insert a video on what I'm actually gonna do, or I'll just show you what I'm gonna do. I've hemmed the edge of the pillowcase little pockets so that when you can't really see the exposed edge when you put the pillow in. So there's 3 layers here. We've got our bigger pillowcase, our bow, and the pillowcase pocket. So we are going to sandwich it all together. So when I sew all the way around the edge of the pillow and I turn it inside out, you would essentially just see a big sandwich. I don't know if that's a good way to explain it, but that's the best I can do at this moment. So let me sew all of these on, and then I'll show you. And she looks like that at the moment. So you can see the little pocket, very, very nice and smooth. And here's the strap as well. It's very simple, this. It's just taken a few hours. Now we need to sew the pillows together, right sides together. Hi, so I figured out how to pin it. It took a while because I had to pin it and then turn it inside out, which was getting a bit scary. Pin them right sides together. So I'm just gonna sew this one together. I won't pin the other one in case I do it wrong. So let me sew the first pillowcase and we'll see how it looks after that's done. But I think I did it right. Let's see. Okay. I did do it right. Oh, I'm so slow. I do need to cut off some bulk. She is very bulky. Did I do it right? No, I did. I did not. No, wait. Wait. What the hell did I do? Wait, I just sewed both of my pillowcases and they look so beautiful. I feel like I could have made the bows a little bit shorter. You can't really see it, but put on your bed and then the bows can be on the outside facing. It's a cute little detail. I don't tie these very well. I'm obviously not a very good bow tire. I think that looks good. So yeah, that's the final product. It took me, I think, around 3 hours to do. If you guys enjoyed this video of me sewing, if you have any other options, maybe I can do a matching duvet. I don't know about that. You can comment it down. Even if it's very silly, you can comment it. I will do whatever someone wants to say. If you guys enjoyed this, please like it. Please subscribe. I want to hit 500 subscribers, hopefully. And yeah. Goodbye, people. See you later.